So this video is going to show how to replace the clamp band on a Shimano shifter unit. I was adjusting the angle of my shifter brake lever here, and it was actually on the other side that I noticed that the bolt on the top was very rusted off. So it caused me to investigate further. I unwrapped the bars completely and I noticed that there was a lot of rust. As you can see on this one, the underside, it's quite rusted. It's chipping off. So it's not just surface rust, it's actually pitting. So what I did was, online I was able to, for a small amount of money, just get replacement parts here. So I've got replacement clamp band, and I'm just going to install that. Since I didn't see any information on how to do that, it's pretty easy to do. This one has 5mm hex. So I'm just going to first loosen it up. And so the nice thing is you don't actually take the whole, slide the whole lever off. You can just remove the bolt from the lever and then slide the clamp band itself off, which makes it a lot easier. So this is completely loosened up here, and as you can see, that's what happens. You can just pull the lever aside and then replace the clamp. So I'm going to pull the bolt out here. And so this bolt actually doesn't have much rust on it. They have a little surface corrosion, but the other side was completely rusted out. So it's a good thing that I am doing both of these. As you can see, there's a lot of rust on this piece here. So I'm just going to slide this off. Look at this. Completely corroded. So this could actually be dangerous if you're in a quick braking situation where, you know, this can't take enough pressure and it cracks. Still looks like it has a little on it, but yeah, this was actually a little more corroded on the band than the other side was. This is actually a little more dangerous than I saw on the other side, so I'm glad I'm replacing that. Although I use this mostly on my trainer these days because I have a newer bike, but I still take it out occasionally, so I want to make sure that it's in good shape, and also I may sell it at some point or give it to someone. So I'm going to clean up the bar there, dry it off, and then it's simple enough. You just put the screw up through the bottom of the clamp and then slide the actual clamp on, and then here you just place the lever, and then there's the bolt and the washer here. Make sure to get the washer in place. Slide that in. These are actually made out of stainless steel, I'm pretty sure, but they can still rust. And part of the reason is the sodium chloride from sweat, so it's not even as much the water that penetrates there from rain and things like that, but it can actually be your sweat that penetrates and then sits under there and eventually corrodes it out. The angle's a little better. Okay. And put the cover back down, and as you can see, it's pretty much good as new here. And so now I'm just going to do some basic adjustments, and like I was saying, I have a carbon handlebar, so after I do the adjustments, I will use a torque wrench to make sure I get that correct. But that is the basics of replacing the clamp band on these units. Hopefully that's helpful for somebody out there that also has some issues with rusting or just needs to replace it for any other reason. Thanks.